Inzalo yelanga. Inzalo yelanga, it's a very special place for the world because science and our ancestors, the history points, especially spoken by Ubabu Credo Mutwa, Vusa Mazulu Credo Mutwa, who taught us about Inzalo yelanga. He always, referring to it as Inzalo yelanga, even though popularly known as Adam's calendar. That is not an African concept. We know no Adam here. Our ancestors never had a name like that, which is why we are pushing the name we were given by our ancestor Ubabu Credo Mutwa. So therefore, Inzalo yelanga, this is what it means in English, the birthplace of the sun. So therefore, it's a very important geographical, place vis-a-vis the world, because according to Ubabu Credo Mutwa, this is the most sacred site in the world, because this is where the sun was birthed. Now we're coming back to science. The UNESCO, report, if some of them, can look it up, it confirms that the sun was birthed at that place.